this is the house. So my culture say, what do I call my mommy? We in na be odia. Sir? Yeah, and it's all bedroom.
No problem. Bedroom.
All my audio. For you.
No problem. I come on the audio. So what you see? Okay. Go inside now.
Yeah. Welcome home. This is my apartment. Yeah. Very small and cute place. Diamond! Diamond! Yes! Oh, sis. Please come. Very tired. Hello, dear. Just relaxing a little. Please meet my nurses. Hi. Hi. She's Diamond. Diamond, my boyfriend. Oh, okay. Nice meeting you. Please send me something up. Okay. What can I offer you?
A bottle of water would do.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Please feel at home. I'm coming.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, hot.
Say the same.
Hi, hot. What is that? Hi, hot.
What is it?
Once Lenka may son here. Once I call it.
This is the sissy, Chino,